Before we get to Westland, the forecast, we return now to the economic forecasts we promised you. Our John Daly looks into the year ahead with a Vancouver portfolio manager.
What is over the economic horizon for Canada and for BC in 2013? You might want to ask Mark Jaseko, who, with wealth management consultant Neil McIver, has been making some predictions.
We make 10 predictions a year, and we're generally right 8 to 9 times out of 10. And in the last year that we've just done our predictions for, in 2012, we were right 9 times out of 10.
Amid Jaseko and McIver's published predictions that the downtrend in Canadian real estate will proceed as the new tighter mortgage rule effect continues because of demographics and because interest rates could climb as much as 0.5%. Significant considering how low they are now.
The one mistake would be to assume the next number of years are going to be like the last 30 years, where interest rates have basically declined at a very consistent rate, and we've gotten used to that environment. That would be the biggest mistake, to assume that that situation is going to perpetuate forever. And we are seeing some cracks with respect to the potential of rates rising that we haven't seen before.
The motion is adopted.
Fiscal cliff delayed and possibly diffused, the U.S. dollar, Jaseko predicts, will go somewhat higher with higher U.S. taxes. But the U.S. and the Canadian economies will continue to have a tough time, with China's growth slowing, producing less demand in North America.
Stubbornly high unemployment, and incomes in the U.S. are stagnant. The hours worked is stagnant, and we don't see a lot of remedies coming from the government in short order, so we think it'll be a flat economy, and that's going to translate into a flat stock market.
For commodities, natural gas prices and crude oil prices will remain flat, but the Keystone XL pipeline will probably be approved to generate some jobs. Gold is the single greatest upside in the Jaseko McIver forecast.
Gold as an asset class is up the last 12 years in a row, the best winning streak amongst any of the asset classes, and gold is a prime destination. And we see gold possibly hitting $1,900 during 2013.
A reminder that there are numerous places for you to get your